Why Jaguar repairs are so expensive. Premium engineering means higher repair complexity and cost. Genuine Jaguar parts are expensive and not always easily available. Advanced electronics require specialized diagnostic tools. Labor costs are higher due to expert-level servicing needs. Imported components increase overall repair expenses. Luxury performance parts wear out faster under high stress. Limited service centers can drive up pricing. Skipping maintenance can lead to very costly repairs later. Sophisticated suspension systems are expensive to fix. Small issues can quickly turn into major repairs if ignored.